Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I want to shout out the Casper Sleep Down Pillow. You guys, this is an amazing pillow. It comes in a queen or king size. It is from 100% duck feathers and down that are all ethically sourced. They have all the certifications to prove it, and you can trust Casper Sleep. You know that they are doing things the right way. This pillow is going to be machine washable, which I always think is so important. I always feel better when I'm able to wash my pillows at least, a couple times a year, and just, it just feels better. It feels great. You just wash and dry these and give them a quick fluff, and they are going to be good to go. This has a unique 5-chamber design. So unlike other pillows, you may have noticed in the middle of the night, if you're tossing and turning, you get kind of all of the fluff or all of the down, all of whatever on one side. That's not going to happen because they have 5 chambers. That's going to keep everything spread evenly out. So even if you are tossing and turning, your pillow ingredients are not going to be. Another thing that I really, really love about this one is that it has a unique 2-inch gusset. And so what that means is, okay, I'll try to show you guys. The pillows that is behind me, this does not have a gusset at all. So that's how most pillows I think are. Where this one differs is it's got that extra 2 inches that's going to give you, just a little more width. And so instead of laying on your pillow flat, you're up a little bit better. You've got a little more support. It's going to be a lot healthier for your neck and keep you a lot more comfortable. You guys definitely, if you're in the market for a new pillow, you're going to love this one. It's going to feel, better than sleeping at your favorite luxury hotel, but every night in your own bed. So go ahead and treat yourself. Sleep is super important. You are going to be so happy that you did.